Hello student, today we are going to talk about the cat sailor and the monkeys. So let's start. It was past noon and the children were back from school. दोपहर का समय था और चिल्ड्रन स्कूल से वापस आ रहे थे. Hearing the familiar song, the children ran out of their homes to greet Ramu Kaka. Ramu Kaka was selling the cap and he was wondering, means he was a peripatetic person and he was selling the cap seller in all streets. That's why children were back from the school. They have heard the familiar song of the Ramu Kaka. Okay, the children has gone to nearby the Ramu Kaka to greet his favorite cap seller. Ramu Kaka जो अगर रामू काका टोपी बेचने के लिए गांव-गांव जाते थे, हम उसे कहेंगे पेरीपेटेटिक. फेवरेट कैप सेलर जो बच्चों को बहुत पसंद थी. द चिल्ड्रन वेयर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ हिज बिकॉज ही टोल्ड देम इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज ऑफ पीपल एंड ही हैड मेट इन अदर विलेजेस. सब बच्चों को रामू काका बहुत पसंद आते थे क्योंकि वो बहुत सारी स्टोरी उनको बताते थे. मोर एवर हिज कैप्स वेयर गुड एंड चीप. Beside this, moreover, the Ramu Kaka was selling the cap seller. It was the cheap and good. Ramu Kaka इसके सिवा रामू काका के पास जो भी कैप थे वो सब cheap quantity के थे. Ramu Kaka managed to sell a few caps. After entertaining the children with some stories, he decided to move on to another village. रामू काका ने क्या किया, एक गांव में बच्चों के साथ थोड़ी स्टोरी उनको सुना दी और कुछ जो कैप्स थे वो सेलिंग कर दी. फिर रामू काका हैव डिसाइडेड आई वांट टू गो इनटू द नेक्स्ट विलेज. सो रामू काका वेंट टू द नेक्स्ट विलेज. ऑन द वे ही सॉ अ बिग ट्री. रामू काका वाज टायर्ड. ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक सम रेस्ट अंडर दिस ह्यूज शैडी ट्री बिफोर मूविंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट विलेज. रामू काका हैज़ बीन एग्जॉस्टेड. रामू काका थोड़े थक गए थे. दे वॉन्ट टू टेक अ नैप. अब उनको क्या करना था, थोड़ी रेस्ट करना था. तो ही सॉ अ बिग शेडी ट्री. उन्होंने क्या किया, एक बड़ा सा ट्री देखा और ही हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू सिट इन द ट्री. ही केयरफुली लोवर्ड हिज basket of caps and after eating his lunch he went off to sleep. He wanted to take a short nap. Okay, Ramu Kaka has sat in the tree and they have eaten some. They had the lunch they have eaten and they took a short nap. Ramu Kaka did not realize that the tree he had chosen was home to a lot of monkeys. Ramu Kaka was not knowing he has chosen that trees. There were a lot of monkeys present on the trees. They waited till he had fallen asleep. Okay, Ramu Kaka was not knowing they had chosen that tree. There were a lot of monkeys was present on the trees, but Ramu Kaka has slept for a while in the tree. Then they quietly slid down the tree, opened his basket and helped themselves to cap each. Monkey saw the Ramu Kaka. Ramu Kaka has slept. So monkey has decided. They came below the tree and they took the caps and they again climbed on the tree. Pleased with their new possessions, they scampered up the tree chattering loudly. After that, the monkey has taken the caps and again they climbed on the tree and they were chattering loudly. The monkey made so much noise that Ramu Kaka woke up. Monkey was doing so much loudly noisy. That's why, because of monkey louding, the Ramu Kaka has woken up from the sleep. He was shocked to see his basket almost empty. फिर बंदरों की आवाज़ की वजह से रामू काका नींद में से उठ गए तो उन्होंने अपनी बास्केट देखी और वो चौक हो गए. Hearing the loud chattering of the monkeys, he looked up and can you guess what he saw? Ramu Kaka has woken up from sleep and then he saw the basket was empty, but he has heard the sound of the chattering of monkeys. And can you guess what he has saw? He has seen the monkeys was monkeys had sat on the tree. The monkeys were playing with his caps. He wanted to laugh and cry at the same time while he was wondering how to get his caps back. He remembered what his grandfather had told him. His grandfather had also faced a similar situation. He too had been a cap seller, and the trick he had played to get this cap back was well known. फिर कैप सेलर रामू काका को ध्यान में आया कि मेरे ग्रैंडफादर के भी साथ ऐसे ही हुआ था कि बंदरों ने भी उनकी टोपी और अदरवाइज कैप ले ली थी. एंड यहाँ रामू काका ग्रैंडफादर हैड आल्सो टू कैप सेलर, वो भी क्या थे, कैप सेलर थे. He grinned. Monkey liked to imitate human beings. He nodded his head knowledgeably. He was sure that he too would get his caps back. Okay, Ramu Kaka has decided monkey imitate to human beings. Then he nodded his head knowledgeably. उन्होंने क्या किया, अपनी जो गर्दन है वो नॉड की यानी हिलाया. Would get this caps back. Ramu Kaka stood at a place from where he was sure all the monkeys could see him. रामू काका जहाँ खड़े हुए, जहाँ उन्हें बंदर अच्छी तरह से उन पर आउटलुक रख सकते थे. फिर क्या हुआ? What happened now next? He confidently picked up a cap from his baskets and put it on his head. And sure enough, the monkey did just that. Ramu Kaka took the cap. And that Ramu Kaka, monkeys also imitate of the Ramu Kaka. So monkey also has taken the cap. Then he put his hand on the cap, looking at the monkeys from the corner of his eye. He was happy to see that all the monkeys too had their hands on their caps. Ramu Kaka then threw the cap down. Ramu Kaka took the cap and they threw the cap towards the grass. And then Ramu Kaka was happy because monkeys are also imitate of the Ramu Kaka. He waited and waited and waited. Ramu Kaka ने बहुत सारा इंतजार किया, but no cap come down. पर एक भी कैप नीचे आई क्या? नहीं. Ramu Kaka was puzzled. Ramu Kaka shock हो गए. After a long time, he looked up and guess what he saw? Grandfather monkey was sitting with all the monkeys and they were all laughing. फिर क्या हुआ? Ramu Kaka has decided the monkey is not throwing the cap on the ground. Then Ramu Kaka threw the cap on the grass. Then monkey also imitated. Monkey also took the cap and threw away on the grass. And after that, Ramu Kaka has got all the caps. And Ramu Kaka has collected the caps and he put the baskets and he went away to the next village. Okay, about this story, you can infer that wisdom is better than truth. Okay, this is the new words. Familiar means well-known or easy to recognize. Realize, to become aware of something or to see something clearly. Possessions means belonging. Imitate means to try to be like or copy or mannerism of someone or something. Okay, the question answers of cap seller and monkey will be sent soon. For the time being, we will see tomorrow. I hope you might have understood the cap seller and the monkey, and you might have heard this story before.